Sanibonani, sinibingelele nonke emakhaya isikakhulukazi esifundazweni uGo District. Igama lami uLucky akwaDumede ngokuhlala ngisendaweni yaseMalangeni ngaphansi komasipala uMdeni, kodwa-ke uLucky uwusihlalo we-UGO Sports Confederation. Namhlanje siwu-UGO Sports Confederation-ke simenyiwe eyodwa yezingane zethu uGo Netball. uGo Netball namhlanje une-opening tournament la bezovula khona unyaka, bezokwenza khona into ye-affiliation ey'nganeni, ikakhulukazi kubathandi bezemidlalo balomdlalo womnqakiswano webhola lomnqakiswano okuthiwa i-netball. Izingane zizo-affiliate ukuze zikwazi ukuthi zibe yiphathi ya-any event kwi-UGO Netball, zibe yiphathi ya-KZN Netball, zibe yiphathi nakuma-national championship ayayadlale njalo ehostwa i-national. Namhlanje-ke iy'ngane zizo-affiliate ukuze zokwazi ukudlala lama-events, nanokuthi nje bese kuyavulwa-ke yonke into ethi netball ogwini. Sithi abathandi nabalandeli nabathandi balezemidlalo abavukeke manje, akawashwa amateku, yonke into ayiqoqwa, abantu baphindele emajimini. Iqalile netball ogwini, siyazi ukuthi njengoba sila balungiselela i-Premiers Cup ezohostwa uMkhanyakude District ngomhla ka-22 kuFebruwari. uGo Netball siyathanda ukuthi nathi babe yiphathi, babe yingxenye yalowo mdlalo, beyorepresenta isifundazwe sethu-ke uGo District.
Igama lami uZamani Ngcobo Sibongo. So ngize la with netball males aseMzumbe. Igama le team ethi uMzumbe Destroyers netball males. Ama-team enginawo ayi-2, amanye ama-law enforcers aseMzumbe nawo, nakhona kusama-males. Inhloso yethu ukuthi sinyuse izinga lokudlala ebafaneni and babe exposed ekutheneni asekho isport esibekelwe abantu besifazane noma esibekelwe abantu besilisa. So njengoba nabo bayabafana but bayakwazi ukudlala isport esaziwa njengesport sabantu besifazane.
Igama nguSifiso Kuhle wakakhowa, 22 years old. Sike Action Sports sodlala i-netball. Igama le-team i-Kingdom Stars. Sesidlalela igame yokuqala, sidlale kahle la ngifisa khona ukuthi si-improve khona ama-defender akwazi ukushaya ama-turnover amaningi, because ila shoda khona igame sidlale kahle ukuthi ama-defender akwazi ukushaya ama-turnover, more turnover.
Kanjalo kuningi-ke nokunye abakuselectayo namhlanje, baselecta nama-team azokwazi ukusirepresenta kuma-championship, abazorepresenta kuma-national championship ayehoste u-NSA okuwu-Netball South Africa. Kanjalo amanye futhi ama-championship ngicabanga ukuthi azoba ngoJulayi eCape Town la kuyodlala khona u-under 19. Siyafisa ukuthi no-UGO futhi liphindele uba yiphathi, so simema bonke abathandi nabalandeli be-netball ukuthi ongekho namhlanje akasele, isaqhubeka i-affiliation, isaqhubeka u-netball.
Sanibonani, igama nguSinenhlanhla Hlophe, manager of Sheppey Central. Sise Action Sports South Coast. Izingane zodlala, it's ama-trials and the tournament, our first opening tournament of the year. So far we've played one game and they are excited since it's our first game for the year 2026. They didn't do too bad or too great either, so we have to go back to drawing board and see ukuthi isilungisa kuphi nakuphi.
Igama lami uSamira Nyawose, besizelana kuma-trials e-Action Sports South Coast. Nginethemba lokuthi ne-team yami lana singa-nominate sonke, siqhubeleke phambili nezinye indawo. Namhlanje igame yami ibi-tough kodwa hayi kakhulu, kodwa sidlale kahle ne-team yami.
I feel like since I've got my trial namhlanje, it's hopefully we get our players selected for a Premiers Cup, which is a big thing like South Coast. Then we also participate with Super League, which is league like KZN. So we play with Division C. Hopefully we win that one and go up to Division B.
la sifuna simprove khona kakhulu. Mina funa ngiyitsheni sinami ngugol attacker, funa ngikore ngeke ukuthatha amabhola ngwanika ugoal shooter ngoba ngithunde height. Nami funa ngikwazi ukukora ngisondele nama attacker amasondelo sibeke eduze siphaselane eduze khona amabhola bazongawatholi lenye team.
Okay, igama lami nguMafumzamo. Ngidlalela i-iPhone wena sila Action Sports South Coast team.
Ngize sifuna ukwadlala, sifuna ukuyoplaya ku-Super League eThekwini, sifuna ukuyoplaya ama-Kaizer Chiefs East-London.
Sidlale kahle nokho nje igame kade tough but sikwazile khona ukuthi simi abantu abaphuma espacini nje yabo size ebholeni.
Sithi abantu abasukume bayithintithe babuyele ka-netball bese kuthi sibonge wonke umholi obukhona be-netball uGudiseko ukhona u-Sports and Recreation umfowethu lapho uzamana kaGumede ukubona basilekelela kakhulu ekwenze sure ukuthi ama-programs ethu ayaphumelela. uGunetball phambili kuqhubekani bafowethu sibambe kahle si-happy i-performance inhle izingane ziphumile ne-attendance inhle siyabonga kakhulu.
My gratitude to South Coast KZN Action Sport Netball. Ngizothi netball because they're actually an action sports arena, but they accommodate netball namhlanje. I would really love to say thank you to Candice and her husband and all the owners of Action Sports. Thank you to GSAC for being present. Thank you for KZN Netball for sending a delegate to Sisisma, Kolo Sisisma, because I grew up in front of her. And thank you to the players, the federation as well. Ugu Netball Federation, you've done an awesome job. This is the first time from the time I've been a player to now being an official Uboni Denje, like seeing so many people coming to affiliate, to play, to enjoy. It shows immense growth. Yeah, to everybody and I mentioned also so official from the Ugu Youth Office, Good morning. He was also assisted us Kakulu, Umdoni, Umzwabantu, Umzumbe, Ray. Thank you so much guys for supporting this event.